We are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on the application of direct proportion. Our first question is, in a model of a ship, the mast is 9 cm high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? So what is given? Length of the mast in the actual ship is 12 meter and length of the mast in the model ship is 9 meter. So we have two types of ship. One is actual ship and the other one is model ship. Okay. Now what we want to find, if the length of the mast in the actual ship is 28 meter, what is the length of the mast in the model ship? So length of the mast in actual ship is given. We want to find length of the mast in the model ship. So now let's consider the length of the actual should be x and that of the length of the model should be y. Now let's form a tabular column so that it is easy for us to do the calculation to find the unknown values. Now the tabular column values are length of the mast in the actual ship, that is x, and it's given, we will take that as x1 is equal to 12 meter. So against x1 is equal to 12 meter, the length of the mast of that particular model ship is 9 meter given. So we will take that as y1 equal to 9 meter. So next what is given? Length of the mast in actual ship 28 meters given. Let us take that as x2 and the corresponding mast, length of the mast in the model ship, we want to find it out. So that we will take that as y2. Now, as the length of this actual ship increases, the length of this model ship will also increase. So they are in direct proportion. So we know that by the definition of direct proportion, if the two numbers x and y are in direct proportion, then their ratios x1 by y1 should be equal to x2 by y2. So now by writing the relation x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2, we can substitute the values. So 12 divided by 9 equal to 28 divided by y2. So all the values are in meters. So now cross multiplying and dividing, we'll get 28 into 9 divided by 12. So on simplifying, we'll get y2 equal to 21 meter. So thus the length of the model ship is 21 meter. So here the length of the actual ship is increased. So the length of the mast in the model ship is also increased. Here it is 21 meter. Next question is, suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. How many sugar crystals are there in 5 kg of sugar and 1.2 kg of sugar? So what is given? Weight of the sugar 2 kg. For 2 kg sugar, the number of crystals present is 9 into 10 raised to the power of 6. Now we want to find number of sugar crystals in 5 kg of sugar. Let's solve one by one. First let's take 5 kg of sugar. Now let's assume the weight of the sugar be x and that of corresponding number of crystals be y. So now let's form a tabular column like our previous example. So it will be easy for us to calculate the unknown values. So the tabular column contents are weight of the sugar, we have taken that as x, and number of crystals, we have taken that as y, and it's given if the weight of the sugar is 2 kg, then the number of crystals is 9 into 10 raised to the power 6. Let us take that as x1 and y1. So next what is given? For 5 kg of sugar, so let's take that as x2. We want to find the number of crystals present in that. So we'll take that as y2. So now here the weight of the sugar increases. So the number of crystals present in the sugar should also increase. So the increase in one affects the increase of the other. So they are in direct proportion. So by definition of direct proportion, we can write the relation x by y should be a constant ratio. So we can write x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Now we can substitute x1 as 2 kg and y1, x1 is 2 kg and y1 is 9 into 10 raised to the power 6 crystals. x2 it's given 5 kg. We want to find y2, that is number of crystals for 5 kg. On cross multiplying and dividing, we get 5 into 9 into 10 raised to the power 6 divided by 2. On simplifying, we will get 22.5 into 10 raised to the power 6 crystals. So therefore, there are 22.5 into 10 raised to the power sugar crystals present in 5 kg of sugar. Now we will find it for 1.2 kg of sugar, the same method. So here instead of taking 5 kg, we are taking 1.2 kg. So here if you see, the weight of the sugar decreases. So the number of sugar crystals will also decrease. So it should decrease. So they are in direct proportion. Again we are writing the same relation. X1 by Y1 equal to X2 by Y2. Substituting x1 is equal to 2 and then y1 is equal to 9 into 10 raised to the power 6, which is equal to 1.2 divided by y2. On cross multiplying and dividing, you will get 5.4 into 10 raised to the power 6. So there are 5.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 sugar crystals present in 1.2 kg of sugar. So here the weight of the sugar decreased. The number of crystals present is also decreased. Here it is 5.4 into 10 raised to the power 6. So now let us see the next example. Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometers. She drives on a road for 72 kilometers. What would be her distance covered in the map? So what Rashmi has a road map. And the map distance is 1 centimeter and the actual distance is 18 kilometer. If it is in map, it is 1 centimeter. Then actual distance on the road is 18 kilometer. Now what we want to find? Actual distance on the road is 72 kilometer and how it will be marked in the map, that is map distance. So let's consider actual distance as x and map distance as y. And the given actual distance x1 is 18 kilometer. Corresponding map distance y1 is 1 centimeter. So now we want to find the actual distance 72 kilometer, corresponding map distance y2. So if actual distance increases, the distance in the map should will also increase. So they are in direct proportion. So by the definition of direct proportion, xy by x divided by y ratio should be a constant one. Yes. So now because the ratio is constant, we can write x1 divided by y1 equal to x2 divided by y2. So substituting the values, 18 kilometer divided by 1 centimeter equal to 72 kilometer divided by y2. So now on cross multiplying and dividing, you will get y2 as 4 centimeter. So therefore, when Rashmi drives on a road for 72 kilometer, then her distance covered in the map will be 4 centimeter. Hope you have understood how to find the direct proportion relation and how to take the ratios and how to find the unknown values. Thank you for watching this video.